Hi kids. Today's session we're going to talk about what the world used to be like. Because you know what? The world used to be different than we see it today. We know that for several reasons. One is our Bible. When we go to our Bible, it tells us that before the flood, it was very different than after the flood. But also other things tell us that the world was different. In fact, if you guys go up to the North Pole, up above the Arctic Circle, what are you going to find up there today? You're going to find ice and you're going to find snow. And if you go down to the South Pole, down to the Antarctica, what are you going to find? You're going to find ice and you're going to find snow. But we find other things. They've actually gone down through the ice up above the Arctic Circle, and they've actually found things like fossilized fern trees, fruit trees complete with fruit, and dinosaur fossils. Now wait a minute, what are they doing under the ice? What do you guys know about fern trees? Can they grow in ice and snow where it's real cold? No. What about fruit trees? Can they grow in ice and snow? No. And dinosaurs. If what we know about dinosaurs today, could they have grown in ice and snow or lived in ice and snow? No. So it seems like they're out of place, doesn't it? And when we go down to the Antarctica, down to the South Pole, they've done the same thing, drilled through the ice, and they found dinosaur fossils again, and then they've also found huge forests of petrified redwood trees. Now, redwood trees can't grow where it's real cold. In fact, they take a temperate climate, kind of like out in California. So we know something used to be different than what it is today.